So exciting times today. I'm going to pick up my new van. It's not a new van. It's a 2013 Vauxhall Vivaro. That's the same as like the Nissan Primestar and the Renault Trafic. I don't like the new model. I was going to get one on lease and stuff like that, brand new. But I thought, what's the point? What's the point in me paying that for a brand new van that's just going to get trashed? So I picked it up quite on a decent price from a garage, warranty and everything else. So I'm quite happy with it. I'll show you around it when I get it. So I've been cleaning this one out all morning, sorting all the paperwork out, and that's a job in itself. Plus, the van was meant to be ready last week, Thursday, because today's Saturday. And I've been on a course, so I wasn't able to pick it up. So it's just been sat there waiting for me and teasing me. Plus I've got a block nose, which doesn't help. So let's go and have a look. Let's go and see it. Here's a quick look around the old one, the old empty one. It's only a little Vauxhall Combo. Looks a complete mess, absolute mess. But that's a working van, isn't it? You know what I mean? That's what it is. That's what it is. So here's the new van. As you can see, it's one of those Vauxhall Vivaro. It's already dirty from just coming home. So let's take a look inside, shall we? So we'll have a look in the side door. Nice and smooth. Beautiful. The kids seating already, lot and all my bits. So we're going to have a look inside now then. The driver's seat. So here we go. We're actually missing aircon, but I don't need it. It's not electric windows. It is a basic model, but it's only for work, you know. So I'm not going to spend a lot of money when it's going to get ruined. Well, not ruined, but used, shall we say. So yeah, it's not done a lot of mileage. It's only done about 80,000, which is great. Diesel, 2 litre. Short wheelbase model. Not long wheelbase, I don't need it. So yeah, there we go guys. My new van. Bluetooth. Excited. I've actually finally got 6 gears. Actually got 6 gears in this, because in my car I normally try and go to 6th gear, and of course I've only got 5. So yeah, hope you liked it guys. Excited. And obviously we need to put one of these in, don't we? Where do we put it? We'll put it there, look, I think. In there. Yeah! Oh yeah! So that was a quick look around the van guys. Excited is an understatement. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And I'll see you again soon.